Welcome back. Today we're reviewing the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker, an 18-function smart cooker with a non-stick ceramic pot, 24-hour keep warm, fuzzy logic precision, and even a stainless steel steamer basket. This is not just a rice cooker, it's a full multi-cooker for your kitchen. Let's break down what makes this model stand out. First, the 10-cup capacity is perfect for families, meal prep, or small gatherings. You can make up to 10 cups of cooked rice with consistent texture every time. The secret behind that consistency is fuzzy logic technology, which automatically adjusts time and temperature to match the type of rice you're cooking. This cooker includes 18 functions, from white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal to specialty modes like sauté, slow cook, steam, and even baby food. You can literally replace multiple appliances with this one. The ceramic inner pot is a huge advantage. It's 100% PFAS-free, PTFE-free, PFOA-free, and distributes heat evenly so your rice doesn't stick or burn. It's more durable than Teflon coatings, and safer for long-term use. Next, the 24-hour keep warm function. This keeps your rice fluffy and warm all day without drying or crusting. If you meal prep or eat in intervals, this feature is extremely helpful. Another highlight is the stainless steel steamer basket, which lets you steam vegetables, dumplings, chicken, or fish while your rice cooks below. So you're cooking an entire meal in one appliance, saving time, dishes, and energy. The sauté mode allows you to brown onions, toast spices, or sear ingredients before switching to other modes. This adds richer flavors and makes it act like a mini stovetop. The control panel is simple, bright, and beginner-friendly. Just select your cooking mode, press start, and let the fuzzy logic handle precision cooking for perfect results. Cleaning is easy. The ceramic pot is naturally non-stick and dishwasher safe. The interior lid and steam collector are also removable for hygiene. Overall, the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker is ideal for students, busy families, working professionals, and anyone who wants quick, consistent meals with minimal effort. Have I reviewed similar rice cookers before? You can let me know, but this model really stands out for value and versatility. Welcome back. Today we're reviewing the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker, an 18-function smart cooker with a non-stick ceramic pot, 24-hour keep warm, fuzzy logic precision, and even a stainless steel steamer basket. This is not just a rice cooker, it's a full multi-cooker for your kitchen. Let's break down what makes this model stand out. First, the 10-cup capacity.